Alright guys, this video is about schematics in layman's terms. It shows the functionality of 24 volt, 120, actuators, dry contacts, zone valves, telestats. I see a lot of guys out there with great videos, but it's hard to apply those videos and diagrams to everyday work. Hope you enjoy it and hope it helps. So my power, my R, is coming from my taco control panel. From the R that's on the top there. That R goes straight up to the Ceresco unit up there. On one side of the dry contact, the R goes to. It comes back from the other side of the dry contact and it gets hooked onto the coil side of the actuator and you could say the switch side. So that's one red wire and one black wire. When that makes, it brings it back on the W. So the W is going to be the other side of the switch, the other black wire. So the other black wire is going to be coming back to my taco on the W. Then you got the common, the other red. It's a 4 wire, so the other red comes back to the taco as well on my common. So when the Ceresco needs auxiliary heat, the dry contact will close and the actuator that it's on from the Ceresco will open up the actuator, therefore turn the pump on. Matching up the zone 1 to zone 1 on the 120 side, zone 2 to zone 2, etc. Same thing with my auxiliary, my other auxiliary. One's for the air heat, one's for the pool heat. Same thing. This is controlling circulating pumps, and it's off thermostats and telestats on the manifold. So what we have is, there's one thermostat here for the pool area, and there's another thermostat in the other room. So when the thermostat makes the W, that gives the power, which is the brown wire on the telestat. You got 4 wires on this telestat. 2 are common and power, and the other 2 are end switches. So when it makes, it will give the power to the brown wire. That's why I have BR there. And the common goes back to my taco. As you see here, RWC. So I'm grabbing my R from my taco and it's going straight to my end switch, one side of my end switch. The other end side of the end switch goes to my W on my taco. So when it does make, for zone 3, it puts the pump on. So no matter what thermostat is calling, it's all going to this W, and it's making that pump right here go on. So R for my taco goes to one side of my end switch, the other side of my end switch goes back to W. So when it makes the W, it gives the power, the thermostat makes it connect, gives it power to my actuator. The common goes back, and since this is closing, the end switch will give power to my switch side, and it'll throw on the pump.